Looking for ways to enhance driver recruitment and retention? Save money on fuel? And reduce tractor engine idling and maintenance? Meet the TriPac Evolution APU. Designed to support driver needs and comfort, the TriPac Evolution leverages patented load shedding technology, enabling the utilization of a Tier 4 final engine without affecting system size, weight, or fuel efficiency. Add in an all-new control system with 22 real-time alarm codes, and you can quickly and accurately diagnose potential issues should they occur. Thermo King also offers a world-class dealer network that provides around-the-clock support 24/7. The charging system utilizes amperage-based decision-making, allowing the unit to make smarter choices when charging the batteries and when saving fuel. Plus, TriPac Evolution boasts an unrivaled 2,000-hour service interval and easy service access to reduce the cost and frequency of maintenance. The universal 3-knob controller is not only easy to operate, but also requires zero training. Thermo King and TriPac Evolution, innovating to meet your needs.